Alright, it's time to feed this bastard the little bird I caught.
You think the beak could hurt it? It could quite.
Oh, fuck. Went savage.
You raw ass bird, you know what I'm saying, baby. Can't even swallow it? It's already dead, stupid. Shut.
It must be so hard because the neck's all flimsy. You know what I mean?
So is rats.
I know, but this guy's a small. Oh, there he goes, there he goes. Damn, dude. Fucking beast.
He wants another one.
Damn, you finished that shit sick. Oh, look at all the feathers. Let me get those feathers for you. Here. Yeah, damn thing.
I've enjoyed the taste. He's enjoying it.
Look at his neck, it's all fat. He's trying to swallow.
It's already in his stomach, I think. Is it? Yeah. So.
He had a good ass breakfast.